to be showing you guys how I make my own special green smoothie and how I sneak just a little bit of apple cider vinegar into my green smoothies, okay? So you must know green smoothies are extremely important for our diet. And when I say green, I'm not talking about no green candy, no green this, no green that. I'm talking about spinach and kale and lettuce. That's mainly what I'm talking about when I say green. So basically, to make a green smoothie, all you have to do is combine one of those ingredients with your favorite fruits and vegetables and sweetening of your choice. Now for my sweetening, I always use stevia. I try not to use it too much, but I do end up having to use my stevia sometimes, okay? So I finally did decide to go ahead and buy me a Nutribullet. So what I like about the Nutribullet is that it does come with different little papers and different little guides that you can use to make your green smoothies. What I like about this page is that it actually tells you the order and how you should be putting everything into your Nutribullet. So it shows you that you want to put your greens first and then your vegetables, and then go ahead and add your ice and any flax seeds or anything like that. And the last step is, of course, to fill the water to the max line. So there is a line that says max on the Nutribullet, and you can use that to go ahead and fill up your water. So it does make a lot of smoothie, and that's one thing that I do enjoy in the mornings, because like it keeps me full until like 11:30, and that's really good because it's like I'm right on time for lunch. And then it also has some other things on just how to take care of it, how to keep it clean and things like that. So I do love this about it. And it shows you the website that you can go on to get tips. And then I love this little booklet right here because it's like your little pocket nutrition book. So it's showing you what should be organic on your list, how to build your own NutriBlast. So I think that's really cool about it. And it just has different things about fruits in here, about all the different nuts that they have, and how you can benefit by using these fruits. So it has all of this in this little book that you can use as your reference if you do have a Nutribullet. I've been having it for a little over 3 days now, and I've been making a green smoothie pretty much every morning before I go to work. And I actually just worked out, and I just need some type of snack to where I can just cool down. So the first step is I'm gonna go ahead and fill up this with my leafy greens. Now this is the most important part of making your green smoothie. You can't make your green smoothie unless you got some greens, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and pack that down just a little bit. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add pineapples. Now I'm gonna go ahead and peel one whole banana, and I'm gonna slice it in half. And take just a teaspoon or a tablespoon, whatever you want to use, of Greek yogurt in my smoothie, and I'll be using the plain vanilla kind. And so far, this is how the smoothie is looking, okay? All right, y'all, so this is the most important part right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour a little bit of my apple cider vinegar into my green smoothie mix. Now, I'm not gonna pour too much. If you wanna measure, go ahead and do so. But I do recommend putting about a tablespoon in your green smoothie. It's gonna help with our skin, it's gonna help with digestion, it's gonna help give us that energy.
Girl, what are you doing? Grab that measuring cup. Girl,
because I went ahead and added that apple cider vinegar, I don't want to taste that bitter taste, so I am going to go ahead and add 1 full tablespoon of stevia. Now I'm going to go ahead and add 2/3 of a cup of ice. And now I'm going to go ahead and use my filtered water, and I'm going to fill it all the way up to the max line. This is the max line that I was talking about earlier. You do have to fill your liquids all the way up to this line, and it is mandatory that you do go ahead and fill up to the max line with the liquid before blending your smoothies for best results and not to ruin your blender. And as you can see, this is pretty much how everything is looking. You can see my spinach, the pineapples, the banana, the ice, the water, the stevia, the Greek yogurt. Everything is all in here and ready to roll. So y'all know what that means. It's time for us to blend. I'm gonna go ahead and screw on the lid. Now I must say, y'all, that the Nutribullet is super easy to use. Like, no lie, this is probably the easiest blender that I've ever dealt with. Literally all you have to do is place it down onto the base and twist, and your smoothie is going to start blending. It's pretty much my smoothie. I got it to the consistency that I like. It's not too thick, but it's not too watery. It's actually just right. So I do love that about the smoothie. And it also comes with this cute little lid that I just rinsed. If you're finished making your smoothies, you can actually take it to go. So I do this every morning, and I take it to work with me, and it makes a lot of smoothie, as you can see. I don't know how many ounces this is. I'm guessing like 32 ounces because it's kind of wide. And I also feel like the Greek yogurt gives it a nice consistency as well. But y'all, I cannot taste the apple cider vinegar at all. So if you're trying to go ahead and sneak in your apple cider vinegar where you can, if you drink green smoothies, you can put apple cider vinegar inside of your green smoothies. So thank you all so much for watching. This was a super quick video, and I hope to bring you guys more recipes. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, and I'm going to keep the videos coming. But thank y'all so much for y'all support, and I'll see y'all next time.